I'm in the Southeast Asian rainforest. This is magnificent. It's amazing. I don't know if you can hear the life around me, but it's full of cicadas and insects and birds, and the noise never stops. It's always there. It's quite comforting in a way. Did you know that the Asian rainforests are over 70 million years old? They're the oldest rainforests in the whole world. We have over 500 species of mammals here, more being discovered every year, and many of them are unique to this area alone. We have 25,000 species of flora in the rainforest, many of them producing amazing foods and medicines which benefit us humans very well. For example, this is a highly prized medicinal herb out here in Asia. Men make tea out of it and drink the tea because apparently it's extremely good for men's health. And if they harvest it, they make a lot of money from it. And this is a natural growing herb which I have just found in the rainforest. There are lots of things like that here. And yet this rainforest is disappearing at an unprecedented rate. Only 6% of the world's landmass is now inhabited by rainforest, and yet it actually houses 50 to 75% of the total world's population of flora and fauna. I am Brenda Broster. I'm an author and a conservationist, and I write stories for children set in the Asian rainforest. The Asian rainforest is incredibly important to us, and we are busy destroying it at an unprecedented rate. I sincerely believe that the next generation, that is the current school children, will be able to reverse the present trend of utter destruction and maintain and preserve our rainforests as they should be for all eternity, with a bit of luck.